Well, welcome back, everyone. It has been an incredible week in markets. A lot of noise, a lot of turns and twists, and of course, FANG stock earnings to boot. Where is this market going? Where were the opportunities, and where are the opportunities to come? Well, this market, using a powerful, straightforward, clear, and simple but very effective signaling toolkit, the TRP toolkit, we see very clearly the weekly chart is still in an uptrend. It got a sell signal last week. Markets are in an inside week. We have not broken down below the lows from last week or above the highs. And we still see price action sequestered underneath the slow speed line, but back above the fast speed line, courtesy of some FANG stock earnings and more to come next week. When we look at the weekly chart, the insight is we're still a little overcooked and it can just as easily pair back versus trying to get that bullish push right up and away. Now, to add some probability to, does it pair back or does it go higher more likely? The daily chart can offer some insight. The daily chart is on a buy signal currently. The bar is obviously not closed, and I'm recording this ahead of the close. What we see here now is a signal that is tentative on a close with the TRP remaining in play and the positive momentum shift. We've got a positive enough stance to try and make it up above the channel, and that would take us into closer towards that target one. Is that the likely outcome? Well, the highest probability buy signals and the highest probability short signals and follow through are things that I'm going to be talking about along with my live trades that I've taken this week. Taken a couple of live trades using this toolkit in particular, and I'm going to show you how they came to fruition. But the market move at this stage, when we look at that daily chart and then add the 4-hour chart, it's looking opportunistic to try and continue, but it's not the highest probability buy signals. We would want to see the TRP momentum crossover lines above the center of their respective channels on both. Now, in the case of a day where we're running, and moving fast, there are opportunities on an intraday basis that we can scan for. I'm going to show you how I'm going to use the TRP scanner as an opportunity to look for runaways. We can use the scanner on timeframes and, of course, watch lists and groupings of stocks at our disposal. And down to a 1-minute chart, we've got filtering built in for us to identify bullish runaways. And it's these bullish runaways that are trades that have gotten well above the target two. I was looking at Comcast earlier. It was a bullish runaway earlier. It's not on the list now because it's starting to wax and wane down. And you can see that TRP sell signal. But there are a slew that will come up and continuously be pushed in front of us to identify stocks that are capitalizing, leveraging, moving faster than the market itself. Now, I'm going to share with you earlier in the session tomorrow that I'm going to be doing, and I'd like to invite you to that now. It is my last time that I'm going to be doing this class for many, many months, and it's our straightforward strategy for day and swing traders. I'm going to be using the insights on the day trades that I've taken in my real life account, showing you exactly how I did that earlier in the session. I'm also going to focus in on the incredible scanning technology to identify these runaway breakouts, which are indeed some of the most exciting intraday and intra-week type trades. Join me tomorrow, Saturday, April the 27th at 10 a.m. Eastern Time, 7 a.m. Pacific Time, 9 a.m. Central. Looking very, very much forward to seeing you there and sharing with you all of my insights on the market as it currently stands and as we move into the next week of trade, along with the key strategies I've used to trade my real live account this week and do so in a simple, straightforward, but powerful manner. Have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day. Make sure you go to becomebettertrader.com/yes and join me for that session tomorrow morning. It's going to be power packed. Bye for now.